Dearest of friends, I'm Jesse. With Living Tree Community Foods, we're coming to you from the heart of downtown Berkeley. It's a magnificent warm day after a bitter cold winter by California standards. Nothing, of course, comparable to the East Coast, to what most of you have been experiencing. Still a balmy, magnificent day. There are so many sparks of life in the atmosphere, so much hope, so much creativity. And right down the street is one of the world's greatest universities. Over 40,000 faculty and students, imagine. More Nobel Prize winners than in any other school. So this Berkeley is a home of innovation and creativity. And we're going to be doing just that. We're going to be making today an almond, walnut, sesame, mango, banana, avocado, nice cream. If you can relate to that, something to feel elated and edified, and to edify ourselves with, and to rejoice in this coming of a bountiful, magnificent, life-filled springtime. So let us begin, as we have on so many occasions, with almond milk. Okay, so we have basically a cup of spring water, and to that cup of spring water we're going to be adding a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic almond butter, watch the magic happen. We press the button, and it is flashed into almond milk. Certainly a whole lot fresher than anything you'll find on a store shelf, some of which may have been sitting there since the dawn of the Cenozoic. Your own almond milk, it's too easy. And it's a wonderful base for salad dressings, for alive soups, and for many, many other innovations and creations. So now we're going to be adding a heaping tablespoon of our alive organic walnut butter. Walnuts have been discovered of late, as well you know, as the most nutritious of nuts, with so many magnificent benefits. They're even said to reduce aging of the brain, and of course they're so enlivening, and they're so nutritious indeed. The most nutritious of nuts, recently discovered by health food enthusiasts. And now we're going to be making we're going to be adding some of our tahini. It's especially the batches that we've been making of late here in Berkeley are so flavorful. Check it out. Try it on a slice of apple by all means, please. So we have our nut butters, and now let's give this a whirl. And to this we're going to be adding some mango. This is an organic mango from Mexico. Okay. A bit of mango. And how about some avocado? Another fruit that goes so well with most anything. So many creations, so many innovations that one can create using an avocado base. And then, of course, some organic banana for body, for texture. Let's give this a whirl. Okay. And now how about a lemon? Here's a lemon that I've peeled. Let's blend it up. Okay. And how about some almond flour for body and for texture? Lends itself to so many things. And by the way, almond butter with coconut oil and maybe some ground up flax seeds is a wonderful, makes a wonderful crust for alive pies, by the way. So, almond flour. And let's add a little cacao for a bit of a hint of a chocolatey taste. So, cacao butter. And then for sweetness, let us add some chopped medjool dates. And then what about some flame raisins? A California classic. Flame raisins. Okay. And okay. And what about some Vermont maple syrup? Some acacia honey. Little bit of organic vanilla extract. And what about some Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt? Salt heightens and elicits the flavors. And now, here we have our almond walnut sesame mango banana ice cream. And how about decorating it? These are dried persimmon slices. And let's sprinkle some dried persimmons on the top. And let's sprinkle also some almond slices, slivered almonds. And what about a few date pieces? Some flame raisins. Also around the periphery. These flame raisins are a California classic. They're large and so here we have it, our nice cream. Please put it in the freezer for 3 or 4 hours. Take it out, let it thaw for half an hour or so, and it'll be ready to serve to family and guests and friends by all means. So you have a nice cream, almonds, walnuts, sesame seeds, mango, avocado, banana. Our creation here at Living Tree Community Foods, so much better than anything you'll find in any store. And most of all, it has your glints of creativity, innovation, and intentionality. Please, brothers and sisters, join your community garden, your front yard. Dig up, plant trees, plant an orchard there. Your backyard, a bio-intensive vegetable garden indeed. Your schoolyard down the street, an edible schoolyard. It's all yours. It's all possible. It is my privilege to share with you. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below by all means, and maybe even give us a like. Your comments, suggestions, and criticisms are treasured by us. Let us go forward into this magnificent, bountiful, ebullient springtime. My privilege to share.